Welcome back, children. Once again, this is Ansu here. This time, we will be seeing the first part of editing in MS Excel. Today, we will be discussing mainly two topics, that is editing text and changing cell format. Editing text. We can easily change the data you have entered in a spreadsheet. In an MS Excel worksheet, you can easily change the data in a cell if you want. We can click on the cell we want to edit and start typing the new data. It is very easy. If you want to change the contents of a cell, you need to first click on the cell and then start typing the new data. This will clear the previous data and display the new data. Once you have selected an already written cell and write on top of it, the previous data will disappear and the new data will be entered into the cell. However, if you want to edit only some part of the cell data, you need to double click on the cell you want to edit. If you have already entered something on the cell and it is needed and you want to add something more to it, then what you have to do is you have to go to that cell and double click on it. Then you will be able to edit a part of the cell content. To edit the data in a cell, there are basically two ways to do it. The first way is this. You need to double click the cell that contains the data you want to edit. You need to double click on the cell first. MS Excel is set to edit mode and the word enter appears in the lower left corner of the Excel spreadsheet. When you double click, the cell goes into edit mode and in the lower left corner you will see the enter word appearing. Move the cursor near the text you want to edit. You can move your cursor to the place that you want, select and clear the text and enter the new text. You can remove the whole thing or you can remove a part of the content of the cell with this method. To exit the edit mode, press the enter key. Once you have completed the editing part of that particular cell, you just need to press the enter key to exit from that edit mode. You can also edit text from formula bar. The other way to do it is how to do it from the formula bar. The formula bar is a toolbar at the top of MS Excel window. This is the picture. Can you look at my cursor? This is the picture of a formula bar. This is lying in the top of the MS Excel window. We can also enter here as an alternative method. You can use the formula bar to enter or copy text into cells. You can use this to enter text or copy text from other cells into this too. To edit text from the formula bar, how do you edit a text from the formula bar? Click the cell that contains the data you want to edit. You have to first click the cell that has the data that you want. Click anywhere on the formula bar. Instead of clicking on the cell here, you have to click on the formula bar. MS Excel is set to edit mode. At that moment, it is set into edit mode and the word enter appears in the lower left corner of the Excel spreadsheet window. When you do that, when you click anywhere in the formula bar, the cell goes into edit mode and as before, the enter appears in the lower left corner of the Excel spreadsheet window. Move the cursor near the place you want to edit. If you want to edit at the beginning of the text that is already there, you can do it there. If you want to do it somewhere in the middle, you can do that. If you want it after the content, you can also do that too. Select and clear the text. You have to select and clear the text and enter the new text. To exit the edit mode, again you have to press the enter key. Once you press the enter key, it moves from the edit mode. Now let's talk about changing the cell format. How do you change the cell format in MS Excel? The cell format is the appearance of the cell in MS Excel. It shows the basic appearance of the cell in MS Excel. By default, MS Excel uses the general format for numbers. Usually, the format that we use in MS Excel whenever you open a sheet is the general format. Please understand, the general format is the default format in MS Excel. We can apply other formatting styles to the cells too. We can also apply a lot of different styles to these cells. In the next slide, we will be discussing a couple of formatting styles in MS Excel. Cell format. In this and the next slide, we will be discussing the different types of formats and the descriptions. The first one is general format. I already told you it is the default format in MS Excel. General format displays numbers the way you type it. Whatever you type into it, it will be displayed as the same thing in the cell. If there are more than 12 digits, the general format converts a number to exponential format. That is, if there are more than 12 number digits in it, it will be converted into a exponential format. Number. The number format is used for general display of numbers. The number format is basically used to display numbers. You can specify the number of decimal places you want to use. In that, you can set the number of decimal places to if your number is having decimal digits. Currency. The currency displays the numbers along with the specified currency symbol. Excel sheets are widely used for financial transactions in a lot of places. For those cases, the currency symbol is very important. You can always set that depending on which country is using it. So it will display the numbers with the specified currency symbol. Accounting. The accounting format is used for financial values. I told you Excel sheets are used in a lot of places for accounting a lot of things. So in that, basically the financial values are being put into use. Or for financial purposes, the accounting format in MS Excel is used widely. Date. The date format displays numbers as date. As usual, dates are always needed when you're doing financial transactions. So if you want to represent a date in a cell, then the date format is what we need to select. Time. The time format displays numbers as time. It displays your given number as a time. Percentage. The percentage format multiplies the cell value by 100. When you take a percentage, it will convert the given value by 100 and displays the result with a percent symbol. Fraction. The fraction format displays a number as a fraction. It represents the given number as a fraction. Scientific. The scientific format displays a number in exponential e plus n notation. I will tell you with the help of an example. For example, the number is 78756454567564. If you look at that number and count the number of digits, there are 14 digits in this number. And this number, since it is exceeding the digits, it will be displayed as 7 point with decimals 7.87564. What they have done is they have written the first 4-5 digits of the number and they have given the exponential sign e plus 13. What does it mean? Writing this number in exponential form means you have to put a decimal place in between that. You are putting it after the first 7 here. If you're writing it as a decimal number, it will be 7.875 into 10 raised to 13. That is, there are 13 digits following the decimal point. So the number can be written in an exponential notation in this way: 7.8756 e plus 13. So the scientific format displays the number in exponential or e plus n notation. Text. The text format displays the content as text even when you type a number. Even if you are typing a number, it will always be shown as a text format. Special. The special format displays a number as a postal code, phone number, or a social security number. It shows your given number as a postal code. You all have a postal code, right? Phone number or a social security number. If you think about a social security number, your Aadhaar number is your social security number in India. Custom. The custom format allows you to modify an existing format. It allows you to modify your existing format. It will change to the requirement that you need. to change the cell format. How do you change from the general format into the cell format that you need? Click the cell that contains the data you want to format. First of all, you have to click on the cell where you want to make the change. On the Home tab, from the number group, click the Launcher. The Format Cells dialog box appears. So you have to first click on the Home tab, then you have to go to the number group, and in that you have to click on the Launcher. The Format Cells dialog box appears. On the Number tab, from the category list, select the desired format. From the Number tab, you have to go to the particular category that you want and select the desired format. Based on the category selected, the available formats appear in the right pane. Based on which category that you want to work on, the available formats will appear in the right pane. Select the required format and press OK. Once you did it, you can press OK. It's very simple. Home tab, number group, you have to click on the launcher. The Format Cells dialog box will come. On the Home tab, from the category list, you have to select the desired format. And based on the category that you have selected, the available formats appear in the right pane. You have to click the required one and press OK. With this, we come to the end of today's presentation. Please go through these contents and understand the concept. Thank you.